The Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro was made official last month. The handset is available in China and now it looks like it is also coming to Europe. According to Roland Quandt, the Xiaomi Redmi Note 5 Pro is launching in Europe soon and it will retail for €230 for the 32GB model and €270 for the 64GB model. As a reminder, the handset will come with a 5.99-inch display with an 18:9 aspect ratio and a FHD and resolution of 2160 x 1080 pixels. The handset is powered by a Snapdragon 636 processor and will come with 4GB of RAM and 32GB or 64GB of storage. The device will come with a 20-megapixel front-facing camera for selfies and dual rear cameras. These will include a 12-megapixel camera and a 5-megapixel camera.